Hi guys, this is Alexander Perez with Oxy Heli and Lynx Heli Innovation, and I'll be showing you the new Lynx balling pliers. So here we have the pliers. As you can see, they're fully CNC aluminum. They are very strong, light, and rigid. They have absolutely zero slop, and they have a ball bearing right inside here. They're super nice, and one feature about them is that they have interchangeable tips. So you can, if your bowlings are slightly smaller or bigger, Lynx will offer different sizes for this bowling pliers, and you'll be able to use the same pliers, just change the tips and use them on every heli size. So here we have a Oxy 5 flash plate and Lynx. You can use the pliers obviously to remove the ballings. See, nice and easy. Remove the ballings without damaging the Lynx at all. And obviously you can use them to put them back on. Like this. Place this part of the plier in the ball and press against the ball. There you go. Nice and snug without damaging the link. The pliers will be back in stock soon in lynxheli.com. Get yours.